Everyone is talking about AI. Have you heard Google AI Studio? If not, then I'm going to tell you how Google AI Studio can change your life. You don't need any technical knowledge, you don't need any coding knowledge. I will tell you in a very simple language. You can search in Google AI Studio, and directly you can open it in your browser. No configuration, no installation, nothing. And that's why it's a playground for AI and it's absolutely free. In first test, we will try to evaluate Google AI Studio as a teacher. I have a complicated problem and let's go back to the screen and see how Google AI Studio is solving it. So I will paste the problem here and let's see. Timer is going on. And now you can see how it is solving this problem. And this was a very complicated problem, my friend. So this is how, even though you are a student and you have a complicated problem which you are not getting solved by anyone, you can use Google AI Studio to solve your problem. So my friend, in this test, we are going to use Google AI Studio as a communication coach. So far, whatever AI tool you are using, we were giving the prompt and getting response in a text format. But now with Google AI Studio, you can communicate and Google AI Studio will work like your communication coach. So let's start and see how it is working. I'm going on the screen and here, my friend, you can see we have a menu stream. Click on this and there you can see talk. So I want you as my communication coach for Hindi. So I want you to be my communication coach in Hindi.
Understood. I understood. I can definitely help you practice your Hindi communication skills. What would you like to work on first?
Basics.
Alright, let's start with the basics. Can you tell Alright, let's start with the basics. Can you tell me your name and where?
My name is Sandeep.
Now, can you tell me something about yourself in Hindi?
I don't know anything.
Okay, no problem. We can start with some simple phrases. How about, I am learning Hindi. Would you like to try saying that?
Yes, I am learning Hindi.
You got it right. You got it right. Now, can you tell me where you are from?
I am from India.
Wait, how would you say that in Hindi?
Please explain how.
Say, मैं भारत से हूँ.
मैं भारत से हूँ. So friends, now we saw how you can use Google AI Studio as your coach, as your communication coach. You can talk with AI. So in this section, we are going to learn how you can use Google AI Studio as a developer, as a coder. Let me share my screen. And here you can see we have a special section that is built, and there you can find multiple templates. For example, dynamic text game using Gemini or Gemini powered code review. So I'm going to create a game using dynamic text game using Gemini. And once you will click on build, you can see it is doing everything by its own. It's thinking and then it will generate all those code. So now you can see automatically all those files are getting created by Google AI Studio. You can see multiple files we have here, like type, then HTML, then metadata, index.html, and all those files that is required for this particular game getting created by Google AI Studio. हिंदी में एक सॉन्ग लिखें। हिंदी में सॉन्ग लिखें।
क्या आप चाहते हैं कि मैं आपके लिए हिंदी में एक गाना लिखूं?
हाँ।
आप किस बारे में गाना सुनना चाहेंगे?
बॉलीवुड।
क्या आप किसी विशेष बॉलीवुड फिल्म या कलाकार के बारे में गाना सुनना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, किसी भी।
ठीक है, मैं अभी आपके लिए एक बॉलीवुड गीत लिखता हूं।
So in this video, we learned how you can use Google AI Studio to solve your complex problem. You can use Google AI Studio as your communication coach, and you can also use Google AI Studio to create any kind of website, any kind of game, or any kind of code just in minute. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel so I can create this kind of videos for you every day, every week, every month. See you next time. Till then, bye. This is Sandeep Mishra signing out.